GoPro has unveiled the Hero 12 Black action camera with improved battery life, support for 5.3 and 4K HDR, and compatibility with Apple AirPods, priced at $399. The camera features a half and bust to 9-inch image sensor. The GoPro Hero 12 Black offers video recording support in 5.3 at 60 fps and 4K Ultra HD with HDR. The Max HyperSmooth stabilization system is now available in all video settings. According to the manufacturer, in 5.3 60 fps mode, the camera can operate for 1 hour and 10 minutes. When shooting in 30 fps, it can last for more than 2.5 hours. The overall battery life has also approximately doubled compared to the GoPro Hero 11 Black action camera, which was released last September. Another new feature of the GoPro Hero 12 Black is the addition of Bluetooth device support. You can connect microphones and headphones to the action camera, such as Apple AirPods. Sound can be recorded directly from external wireless devices. The design of the new generation camera remains unchanged compared to the GoPro Hero 11 Black. However, a significant addition is the standard tripod mount A420. Additionally, it features 2 LCD screens and is waterproof up to 10 meters. The price of the GoPro Hero 12 Black is $399, and the presence of a subscription does not affect the price. The new action camera is available for pre-order, and open sales will begin on September 13, 2023. Alongside the GoPro Hero 12 Black action camera, a new Max Lens Mod 2.0 module will be released. It increases the field of view from 155 deg to 177 ds and can be used when shooting in various formats up to 4K 60.